हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। 3 टाइप्स के होते हैं: सीरम एल्ब्यूमिन, सीरम ग्लोबुलिन, फिब्रिनोजेन। नाउ वी विल सी द नॉर्मल वैल्यूज ऑफ प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन। जो टोटल प्रोटीन होता है उसका वैल्यू 7.3 ग्राम पर डीएल होता है, विच मे रेंज फ्रॉम 6.4 to 8.3 ग्राम पर डीएल। सीरम एल्ब्यूमिन का जो वैल्यू है इट इज फ्रॉम 4.7 ग्राम पर डीएल. सीरम ग्लोबुलिन इज फ्रॉम 2.3 ग्राम per dl and fibrinogen is 0.3 gram per dl. Here you can notice that सीरम एल्ब्यूमिन की जो वैल्यू है वो 4.7 है और सीरम ग्लोबुलिन की जो वैल्यू है वो 2.3 ग्राम। जो एल्ब्यूमिन की जो वैल्यू है वो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट डबल ऑफ द ग्लोबुलिन। तो एल्ब्यूमिन और ग्लोबुलिन की जब हम रेशियो निकालते हैं तो नॉर्मल जी रेशियो जो होता है इट इज 2:1. दिस रेशियो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट indicator of some diseases involving liver and kidney diseases. Next we will see the functions of the plasma protein. Plasma proteins जो होते हैं they are very essential for our body. So first function is the role in coagulation of blood. Blood में जब भी clotting होगा, that is there is a coagulation of the blood. In that case, plasma protein called fibrinogen is responsible for the coagulation of the blood. Second is the role in defense mechanism of the body. Gamma globulin plays an important role in the defense mechanism of the body by acting as an antibodies. These are the immune substances. These substances are also called as immunoglobulins, and antibodies react with antigen of various microorganisms which causes disease like diphtheria, typhoid. Next is the role in transport mechanism. Plasma proteins are essential for the transport of various substances in the blood. Albumin, alpha globulin, beta globulin are responsible for the transport of hormones, enzymes, etc. The alpha and beta globulins play an important role in the transport of metals in the blood. Next function is the role in maintenance of osmotic pressure in blood. At the capillary level, most of the substances are exchanged between the blood and tissues. However, because of their large size, the plasma protein cannot pass through the capillary membrane easily and remains in the blood. To show the importance of the osmotic pressure, Starling gave an hypothesis. Starling's hypothesis says कि जो osmotic pressure exerted by the plasma protein plays an important role in the exchange of various substances between the blood and the cell through capillary membrane. According to the Starling hypothesis, the net filtration through capillary membrane is proportional to the hydrostatic pressure difference across the membrane minus the oncotic pressure difference. Next function is the role in regulation of acid-base balance. Plasma protein, particularly the albumin, plays an important role in the regulating the acid-base balance in the blood. This is because of the virtue of their buffering action, and plasma proteins are responsible for 15% of the buffering capacity of the blood. Next is the role in viscosity of the blood. Plasma protein provide viscosity to the blood, which is important to maintain blood pressure. Albumin provides maximum viscosity than other plasma protein. Role in erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Globulin and fibrinogen accelerates the tendency of Rowlatt's formation by the red blood cell. Rowlatt's formation क्या होता है? Rowlatt's formation is the piling up of RBCs like the stacks of coin, and this Rowlatt's formation is responsible for ESR, that is erythrocyte sedimentation rate, which is an important diagnostic and prognostic tool. Next is role in suspension stability of red blood cell. During the circulation, जो red blood cells remain suspended uniformly in the blood. This property of RBC is called suspension stability. Globulin and fibrinogen help in the suspension stability of RBC. Next is role in the production of TREM4 substances. TREM4 substances are necessary for the nourishment of tissue cells in the culture, and these substances are produced by leukocytes from the plasma proteins. Role in reserve proteins. During the fasting or inadequate food intake or inadequate protein intake, in that case what happens, the plasma protein are utilized by the body tissue as a last source of energy. Plasma proteins are split into amino acids by tissue macrophages, and amino acids are taken back by the blood and distributed throughout the body to form the cellular protein molecules. Because of this, the plasma proteins are called the reserve proteins.